Welcome to JMG Tint Wraps. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to tint a house window, specifically a door. The very first step is going to be to clean the glass. In order to do that, we need to clean it a few times, different ways. Some soap and water, then take our squeegee tool and just wipe it clean. What we're trying to take off right now is just any dust and surface contaminants so that we can see better some heavy dirt and adhesives that could be on the glass. After that first wipe, it's always good to have another towel. Now with this towel, all the edges are wet, so I'm going to go ahead and rub over all these edges. This should be eliminating any dust particles that are in these areas. And I'm going over the frame a little bit as well because the film will sit over the frame. So we do want to have extra. Now that the surface is clean, we're going to spray it again and we're going to scrub clean it. Now that we finished this scrub clean, you're going to do a scrape clean. During this phase of the clean, you should be listening to the blade as it glides across. This will tell you what it's taking off. As you can hear, it's not perfectly silent, which means it is taking off leftover dirt that's stuck on the glass. Don't need to put a lot of pressure. The blade does a lot of the work. We're going to run over all the edges. So now I've cleaned the glass with the scrape clean. Now I'm doing a final investigation on the glass. It would always help if you clean the outside glass, but I'm not a fan of that and I'm not going to. I've been doing this long enough to know where dirt is on what side. If you are going to do it in this method, there's another technique that you can do to verify that you removed all the adhesive. So what I'm going to show you right now is you spray the glass again. And now use this tool right here. You run your hand flat on the surface, feeling the surface, feeling where you could feel something. And then if you feel something, you clean it off. Good. You could maybe even say a blind person can tint a window. Is that funny? All right, full window checked. We are good to go. So now we do another clean. Yep, that's how many times we clean a window. A lot. Now the window is perfectly clean and we are ready to do an install. Before we do the install, we got to cut the film. So let's go do that. In order to cut the film, we have to measure the glass. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure the glass. So we got 24.5 inches by 69 inches. So we're going to unbox our film. So we already know it's 24.5. So safe bet is to just do 30 right down the middle. Then we can get two pieces. If we mess up, we have a spare. Now I bring the measuring tape out to 69 inches or a little bit more. So I know my marker. I'm going to pull the film slowly out the box. Just make sure it lines up here in the beginning, that the film goes over the rolls. Now if I just pull at a good soft angle, it'll let me pull it without sliding off the table because I don't got it welted down in any way. Just let it hang. Film cannot get damaged from just hanging. Boom. Now I'm gonna grab the edge to make sure we got the right size. Yes, we do. We're good to go. Now we roll it up. Preferably you want to roll it up as tight as you can. Normally I do roll up the film inside, but due to the small space in the room, this was the most available space for us to work with. Now I have the size I want, the length I need. Now we're gonna roll it up tighter and let's head back inside. Ooh, we got culancho. A lot of culancho. So I'm rolling up the film tight, and guess what we're gonna do right before we install the window? We're gonna clean the glass again. And this is why people love our work, because we do make sure that it is clean. Hear how when I slide you don't hear anything? That means it's a clean window. Because if you hear something, you would hear it going over something. All right. Now we're ready to lay some film. Wet the glass again. This time a little bit more excessive than the other ones, because you're not going to wet this film necessarily to start it, because this is a residential film. Residential film does not have adhesive that it sticks on contact. It is called press release. So it sticks from you putting pressure with the water. Okay. Just make sure you got it around the handle. Good to go there. Remove the liner from the back. Double check that you have the top covered. Top is still covered. So that means it is safe for me to cut this bottom off. It's always better to have over access than under. Wet the outside glass again. Now we can squeegee one direction, the other direction to secure it, and one down. And now I'm going to continue to push out the water to the closest edges. Now you want to just make sure the edges are flopped up a bit, as you see, flopped up, not necessarily like tacked down. It's flopped up here, but it's tacked down there. We want it to stay in a flop position. Reason being is when we come through now to cut, it's not going to accidentally stick here and then end up cutting it too short. It will go in the groove while I'm passing through. So that's the point we're at. We're at the point of cutting the edges. I like to give it a good wet right around the edges, so when I'm sliding my fingers across, nothing sticks. Use my pointer finger to close in that gap in the corner, then run my finger across, same thing. A tricky part could be, for some people, getting past the handle. How you do it is you just open the handle as you pass it. Think he's having trouble seeing it? Now all the edges are trimmed, so now we're ready to seal down the rest of the edges. And with that, you are all set and you have finished tinting the window. Now that everything is cleaned up, the tint is done, the final thing to do is to clean the window at the end. And right after we clean the window, we'll go ahead and inspect the tint again to make sure that it is up to the quality and standard that we uphold. Look at the window from the outside. Yep. All right. We're all set. Window's perfectly tinted. Customer's going to be happy. Let's head out of here.